differently this year for local farmers. The goal is to keep all labor workers safe from contracting COVID-19. A $200,000 donation from Yuma County will help prevent workers from getting sick before showing any symptoms. Our News 11's Carmen Valencia reports.
It's a strategy that the University of Arizona in Tucson has been using for several months. The advanced warning system helps detect the infection rate, all in hopes of keeping our ag community safe. As a billion-dollar ag industry prepares for harvesting season, local farmers are finding new ways to ensure employees don't get sick with COVID-19.
We've seen in California some of the worst counties with the highest infection rates are where there's a lot of ag workers.
All to avoid outbreaks like those seen in meatpacking plants across the country.
But there's a lab in Tucson that the U of A has that tests the sewage at wastewater plants, and they test it for COVID infection, and that tells them how high the infection rate is in the community.
He says it was already tested in porta potties out where 30-plus farm workers worked.
Is there some way to use this advanced warning system, and if someone in that crew were to get sick, if we knew a week ahead of time before they showed symptoms, the whole crew could get tested?
Brierly says with the help from the County Board of Supervisors and the $200,000 donation received, a lab with this testing will be available as soon as October.
And then we thought, if we're going to have a lab here in Yuma that can do this, it's called wastewater-based epidemiology, but basically sewage monitoring. Why couldn't we make it available to, say, the schools?
With harvesting season starting next week, he says they can't risk an outbreak.
Agriculture's already had a shortage of available labor, and now with COVID, you've got people who are sick, you've got people who are worried about getting sick.
Brierly says farmers will continue to adjust to the new normal with a commitment of bringing those leafy greens to America. Reporting in Yuma, Carmen Valencia, News 11.
And today